We're going to start with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. And I will just rub that on my face. I'm going to change the lighting. I'll be right back. I think that's a little better. I don't know. I'm going to take 2 of these Easy Blur foundations. I have Angel Food and Butter Pecan. And I'm going to mix them on this plate. Yeah, I think that's my color. Close enough. Does anyone also get like one giant pimple right around their birthday? What is up with that? It's so big, like there's no amount of makeup is gonna hide it. And it's so big, I can't even make it look like a mole. It's unmoleable. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm gonna apply it directly to my eyelids, and I'm gonna apply concealer directly on top of that. I'm gonna use these 2 Triclone Skin Tech Concealers from House Labs in the colors Fair Neutral and Medium Neutral. I'm gonna apply it to my inner and my outer and my lid. Blend it out. I don't know if you noticed, but I shaved the end of my eyebrows off. I felt like they were dragging my face down. God forbid that ever happens. Maybe it is because of society. Society has made me feel like I'm not presenting my best self when I'm looking like I got dark circles under my eyes. Until dark circles and droopy eyelids come into fashion and they make makeup for that stuff, yeah, I'll be down. Makeup Forever HD Skin Blush and Glow Palette. This maroonish color. It is more pink than I would like. This color. Let's see how that does. Yeah, I think I like that. I used to wash my brushes once a week, and then the rest of the time I clean them with like brush cleaner. But now I wash them every time I use them. And you know what? It is a pain in the booty. I don't believe brush cleaner gets everything off. Apply it to your cheeks, your nose, and your forehead. And your chin. Your chinny chin chin. e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I'm just gonna use this one. Apply it to your forehead, to your nose, to your temple area, to your cheekbones, to your jaw. The jowls are coming in strong. Blend it out. With my nose, I just like to go over it with the foundation brush because it always seems to be just a tad bit too strong. And just set under your eyes. I like to bring it all the way up because it gives a facelifting effect. You see? Go under my contour and chisel that jaw ever so slightly. And then on my chin, because I get really oily there. My forehead, because I get super oily here as well. For the rest of my face, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Easy Blur in Banana Bread. And I'm just going to dust a thin veil all over my face. And my neck. Don't forget your neck. I'm going to go in with this powder blush. This is Petal Power Mineralized Brush by MAC. I'm just going to brighten some of that blush back. Makeup has layers. Ogres have layers. Milani Bronzing Powder in Suntan. Just going to warm my face up ever so slightly. Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. Makeup by Mario Master Mattes, the original. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. Apply it to my crease. I'm going to connect it to my nose contour. And then you blend, and you blend, and you blend, and you blend. So I want to do like a smoked out cat eye. Which I'm now realizing I should have probably done face tape. But I'm going to try to do it without. Angle brush, black eyeshadow. Apply it to the outer corner of your eye at an angle. I'm dragging that wing into my lash line and then across my lash line. I want to blend it. And then we're gonna just darken it up again. This dark brown. And I'm gonna apply it to the blended out part. And we're gonna go back in with that crease shadow. And we're just gonna tie it all in from here. I'm gonna take that same dark brown shadow on this flat brush and apply it to my lower lash. All right, now we just do it to the other side. Damn, I like the way this eye looks way more than this. I'm gonna go in with Benefit's 24-hour brow setter. Set your brows. Maybelline's Build a Brow in black brown. Fill in your brows. This is the point where I stare in the mirror and I'm like, holy shit, I look just like my mom. Curl your lashes. I'm gonna be using these lashes. Apply your lashes. I'm gonna go in with a NYX matte lip liner in Cold Brew. And I'm gonna overdraw my lips because I can. I just seen a whole spot on my face where I forgot to shave. It's like a random hairy spot right here. Oh no. Who's that?
Is Diddy here?
Oh my god, no way! My boo made it! I didn't think my husband was gonna make it. I'm gonna go in with this Milani lipstick in the shade Desire. So scandalous. Apply your lipstick. Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. We're gonna marry those lashes. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I'm gonna go in with Butterscotch. Apply your highlighter. I'm gonna use my finger to put it on the bridge of my nose and right at the tip. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eye, right here. A little bit on my lid, right under my brow. She's glowing. One Size On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. And that makeup is not going anywhere. My makeup's done. I'm gonna finish my hair and then I'll come back with the finished look. This is the final look with the hair and the accessories. I did put a little concealer on my lips because I just felt like they needed a little dimension. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'm running late for dinner, so I have to go. Bye!